Okay, this tutorial will be on how to make a server, so yep, let's get going. So first thing you want to do is just go to the Minecraft website at minecraft.net, where we link in all the places I go to in the description. Just head over to downloads, and you want to download the Minecraft server.exe, and you want to save this file to your desktop. Just save that, and then go over to the Bukkit website and go to get craft bucket once it's loaded, and we're going to download craft bucket, which is over here, down here. So just scroll down a bit and it will have this link to download the latest craft bucket, and it should come down here, and you just want to save that to your desktop as well, so we can get it later on. And it's going to finish downloading soon. As you can see just here, it's just downloading. While it's downloading, we're going to highlight this text and copy it. So just copy that, and it's nearly finished. Yeah, so we've copied that text. Make sure you highlight all of it and don't highlight any more or any less. So you just want to click out X on that, whatever that is, get rid of it. So you want to make a new folder. We'll get to the text thing we just copied later. Just want to rename that new folder Minecraft server, or whatever you want to do it. Craft bucket server is fine. So you want to drag and drop the craft bucket, latest edition of craft bucket, into there, and the Minecraft server you down here, and they should downloaded from the Minecraft website into there. So you should have these two files in here. You can now click X on that. You can go over to Notepad and just paste what we copied earlier, which is all this random stuff. Then you want to save this, and you want to save it as run.bat. Now you must save it as a .bat file, otherwise your server will not work. Just want to save that to the desktop. Make sure it's .bat, and it should come up with something like this. You can X this now. Something that kind of looks like that with cogs on it and stuff. You want to drag that into your Minecraft server, and double click on the run. That's weird. You might need to rename. Something like that might happen. So you might just need to rename craft bucket just to craft bucket. I'm not really sure. There we go. So you're gonna need to rename craft bucket. Get rid of all that stuff. Just rename it craft bucket, no caps, no nothing. And it should start loading this, and you wanna. It should start loading all this. And once it's loading, which it should do, you just want to type stop and hit enter, and it should just stop the server eventually. Might take a while. So closing listening thread and all sorts. Just wait a bit, and it should say just press any key to continue, and then you've got your server. You just need to port forward it. So we need to go need to type in search for CMD and hit enter, and it should come up with this command prompt or something like this. You want to type in ipconfig and hit enter. Oh dear. It should come up with tons of stuff, like there should be tons of random stuff that comes up, and it should have like IPv4 address and default gateway. You want to go scroll up slightly, and there should be an IPv4 address. It should be something like 192.168.1.7 or something. Just want to write that down on a piece of paper. And then there should be a default gateway, which should say something like 192.168.1.5 or something. And you want to write that down as well. So go over to a browser and type, go up to this thingy-majiggy, and type in whatever it was. So it was 192.168.0.1. That's my one, but your one will be different. And it'll come up with Superhub, random stuff. You want to type in your Superhub username, which you can find the username and password on the back of your hub, which basically connects all your computers. Just go to the back of that, and it should have this sticker on it, and it should say all the different passwords and stuff. So yeah, just head over to that, and then click on this. It might say that. Oops, must have got it wrong. Sorry. So just type in your password, sign in. I don't know why it keeps on doing that. Oh, there we go. Okay. It won't look exactly like this. It depends on what sort of hub you've got. It might look like this, but it's unlikely. Whatever it looks like, you want to find something that says advanced settings. You just want to head over to advanced settings. It won't be like this. It might come up with something like this. Just click yes. And now we need to scroll down and we go to port forwarding just here. Wait, once it's loaded, yeah, there we go. That's the one I've already got. So it should come up with something like this. If it doesn't, just click on add rule or whatever it is. Type in the name as Minecraft. Or like that. Start port 25565. That's the default Minecraft port. 25565. Just leave protocol TCP in and UDP. And whatever your IPv4 address was, you just want to type what it was in there, and then you just want to add the rule. I've already added it as well because I have my server, but yep, that's what you want to do. And then it should come up with here, and you can enable it, and you can change that if you want. So you can just X out of that once that's running. And now we can go over to our Minecraft server, go to our server properties file, just there, it says properties, double click on it, and where it says server IP, you want to type in whatever your IPv4 address was. So the IPv4 address for me was 192.168.0.5, and then you just want to X out, save that, and then when you run your server, it should run fine and all sorts. Yeah, and then you can, to find out what your IP is to give to all your friends, you just go to Google, head over to Google and type in, it's as simple as this, what's my IP, and hit enter, and it will come up with an IP address just here. You just want to give that IP address to your friends and they can connect to your server. So yep, thanks for watching. Comment, rate and subscribe. Thanks.